Hello students, welcome back to my channel DEduLabs. I am Divita Patel. Multiplication is a long topic, so we will learn it in two parts. In part 1, we will learn how to multiply numbers and basics of multiplication and its examples with different methods. In part 2, we will discuss about long multiplication examples. Before we proceed, please subscribe our channel for new videos. We will start our lesson with basics of multiplication. Do you know students what is multiplication? Multiplication means adding group of numbers where each group have same numbers. For example, there are 4 stars in group 1. Similarly, group 2 and group 3 have 4 stars. So, as per definition, 3 groups of 4 stars is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. Now let's understand this with another example. There are 5 dots in one group. Similarly, group 2, group 3 and group 4 have 5 dots. So, 4 groups of 5 dots is equal to 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 20. In other words, we can say that multiplication means adding an integer to itself specified number of times, or adding equal numbers in specified number of times. Let's see some examples. If 3 is multiplied by 4 is equal to 3 multiply 4 is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. 2 multiply 5 is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 10. Or we can say that 5 times 2 is equal to 10. 4 multiply 4 is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 16. Or we can say that 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Now let's learn about some terms of multiplication. If we write 4 multiply 3 is equal to 12. Here 4 is factor 1, or we can also say it is multiplicand. Then multiplication sign. 3 is factor number 2, or we can say it is multiplier, is equal to 12. Our answer is product. Further, we are going to discuss about two rules associated with 0 and 1 while doing multiplication. Rule number 1. Multiply any number with 0. If we multiply any number with 0, the answer will be 0. Here are some examples. If we multiply 2 by 0, the answer is 0. Similarly, 11 multiplies 0 is equal to 0. 125 multiplies 0 is equal to 0. 2005 multiplies 0 is equal to 0. That means, if we multiply any number with 0, the answer will be 0. Rule number 2 says, if we multiply any number with 1, the answer will be number itself. For example, 2 multiply 1 is equal to 2. 11 multiply 1 is equal to 11. 125 multiply 1 is equal to 125. 2005 multiply 1 is equal to 2005. So, if we multiply any number with 1, the answer will be number itself. Students, do you know order of factors doesn't matter while doing multiplication? If we multiply 22 by 5 is equal to 110, or we can multiply 5 by 22 is equal to 110. Both the answer is same. Now let's see some examples of multiplication using place value. For example, 4 multiply 10. Method number 1. Adding equal numbers in specified number of time. So, 4 multiply 10 is equal to 10 times 4 is equal to 40. This method requires more calculation, so we use another method. Method number 2. Multiplication using place value. This method is used where multiplication of any number by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and others is available. Let's start with example. If we want to do 4 multiply 10, here 0 is on 1's place and 1 is on 10's place. Now we understand steps. Our first step is hide 0 which is on 1's place with your finger. Step 2. Now multiply number you see after hiding 0. That means 4 multiply 1 and the answer is 4. So we put our answer on 10's place because 1 is on 10's place. We will put 0 on 1's place. So answer is 4 multiply 10 is equal to 40. Let's see next example. 7 multiply 100. Our first step is hide 0 with the finger. Now multiply number after hiding 0. That means 7 multiply 1 is equal to 7. Now put 7 on 100's place because 1 is on 100's place. Now put both the 0 on 10's and 1's place. So 7 multiply 100 is equal to 700. Now we do 76 multiply 100. In 100, there are two 0. One is on 1's place and other is on 10's place. And 1 is on 100's place. So our first step, we hide both 0 of 100 with finger. Step 2, we multiply number after hiding 0. That means 76 multiply 1. So answer is 76. Now 1 is on 100's place. So we start writing answer from 100's place. We will put 6 on 100 place and 7 on 1000's place. Now lift your finger from 0 and put them on 10's and 1's place. So answer of 76 multiply 100 is equal to 7600. Now we will do 50 multiply 100. In 100, there are two 0. One is on 1's place and other is on 10's place. And 1 is on 100's place. Our first step, we hide both the 0 of 100 with finger. Now multiply the number you see after hiding 0. That means 50 multiply 1. So answer is 50. Now 1 is on 100's place. So we start writing our answer from 100's place. So we will put 0 on 100 place and 5 on 1000's place. Now lift your finger from both the 0 and put them on 10's and 1's place. So answer of 50 multiply 100 is equal to 5000. Now let's learn next method of multiplication. First example is 32 multiply 0. Here 32 is multiplicand and 0 is multiplier. First we write multiplicand 32 in ones and tens place and put multiplier is on ones place because it is single digit number. Next step, we do multiply of 0 with ones place, that means 0 multiply 2, so answer is 0. So we put 0 on ones place. Now multiply 0 with tens place. So 0 multiplied 3, the answer we got is 0. We put 0 on tens place as we multiply it with tens place. So the answer of 32 multiply 0 is 0. Next example is 20 multiply 4. Here 20 is multiplicand and 4 is multiplier. First, we write multiplicand 20 in ones and tens place and put multiplier 4 in ones place because it is single digit. Next step, we do multiply of 4 with ones place, that means 4 multiply 0 and the answer is 0. Next, we multiply 4 with tens place. So, 4 multiply 2 is equal to 8. So, answer of 20 multiply 4 is equal to 80. Our third example is 32 multiplied by 3. First, we will put multiplicand 32 on ones and tens place. We will put 3 multiplier on ones place. Now, we will multiply 3 with ones place. That means 3 multiply 2 is equal to 6. So we put 6 on ones place. Now we will multiply 3 with tens place. That means 3 multiply 3 is equal to 9. So we put 9 on tens place. So answer of 32 multiply 3 is equal to 96. Our next example is 27 multiplied by 3. Here 27 is multiplicand and 3 is multiplier. Our first step is we multiply 3 with ones place. That means 3 multiply 7. Answer is 21. Here in 21, 1 is on ones place and 2 is on tens place. So we put 1 as our answer on the ones place and we will put 2 carry forward on tens place. Now we multiply 3 with tens place. That means 3 multiply 2 is equal to 6. Now we have to add carry. So 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So we put 8 as an answer on tens place. So answer of 27 multiply 3 is equal to 81. Our next example is 432 multiplied by 2. Here 432 is multiplicand and 2 is multiplier. First we write multiplicand 432 on ones, tens and hundreds place. Write multiplier 2 on ones place as it is single digit number. Now do multiplication of 2 with ones place. That means 2 multiplied 2 is equal to 4. So write 4 on ones place. Next, 2 multiply 3, that means 2 multiply tens digit number. 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6. So write answer on tens place. Next, multiply 2 with 100 digit number. That means 2 multiply 4 is equal to 8. So we put 8 on hundreds place. Answer of 432 multiplied by 2 is equal to 864. Next example is 304 multiplied by 2. First, we will write 304 on hundreds, tens and ones place. We will put multiplier 2 on ones place. Now let's do multiplication. First, 2 multiply 4, that means 8. So put 8 on ones place. Next, 2 multiplies 0. The answer is 0. So we'll put 0 on tens place. Next, 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6. So we put 6 on hundreds place. So 304 multiplied 2 is equal to 608. Our next example is 362 multiplied by 6. So first, write 362 on ones, tens and hundreds place. And put 6, which is multiplier, on ones place. Now we'll do multiplication of 6 with ones place. That means 6 multiplied 2. Answer is 12. So we will put 2 on ones place and put 1 carry on tens place. Next, we will multiply 6 with tens place. That means 6 multiply 6. 6 multiply 6 is equal to 36 and plus 1 carry is equal to 37. So we will put 7 on tens place and put carry forward on hundreds place. That means 3 carry on hundreds place. Next, we will multiply 6 with 3. 6 multiply 3 is equal to 18 plus 3 carry. That means 18 plus 3 is equal to 21. So we will put 1 on hundreds place and 2 on thousands place. So answer of 362 multiplied 6 is equal to 2172. Now we will do 305 multiplied by 4. First we will put 305 on ones, tens and hundreds place. We will put 4 multiplier on ones place. Now, first step is multiply 4 with ones place. That means 4 multiply 5 is equal to 20. Here, in 20, 0 is on ones place and 2 is on tens place. We'll put 0 on the answer at ones place and we will put 2 carry on tens place. Our next step is we'll do 4 multiply 0, that means 4 multiply tens place. 4 multiply 0 is equal to 0 plus 2 carry. So answer is 2. So we'll put 2 on tens place. Next, we multiply 4 with 3, which is on hundreds place. So 4 multiply 3 is equal to 12. We put 2 on hundreds place and put 1 on thousands place. Answer of 305 multiply 4 is 1220. I hope you understand, students. Our next video is about long multiplication examples. Please like share and subscribe our channel The EduLabs. Thank you for watching.